Hello Year 5, it's another week of spellings for you this week. We've got a unit that's going to go over for 2 weeks actually, so it's going to be this week and next. We're going to look at the sound cial, which can be spelled using the suffixes cial and tial. Now these aren't your words for the week, but just a few examples below. Like I said, this is going to go over 2 weeks of spelling. So we've got in yellow on the left hand side, we've got the cial, and on the right hand side we've got the tial. At the bottom as well, we've got some exceptions because they do not follow the pattern of the rule that we're going to look at. So this week we're going to focus on the left hand side, which is the suffix cial. For the green group, your rule is the sound spelled OU or U. So we've got the OU words: double, touch, young, country, trouble. And on the right hand side we've got the U with rubble, grunt, grumpy, sung and such. And there is a YouTube video you can watch that goes through the OU spelling. So as I said, we're going to look at the cial sound. We've looked at the two ways that we can spell it, cial or tial. Now there were some spellings on the previous slide, but can you think of any words that end in the cial sound? Even better, can you work out which one it is? Is it cial or tial? See if you can think of any words that follow the rule. So special is one example of cial. Martial, as in martial arts, tial. But as we said, we're going to look at cial this week. So see if you can pause the video and come up with a list of as many cial words as you can think of. If you can discuss them with somebody at home. Hopefully you were able to come up with a good long list of cial words there. Here's a selection. So we had special, we've got official, special, artificial, social, racial, crucial, facial, beneficial, superficial, and antisocial. And I'm not going to tell you the meanings of them here because that is something you can follow up this week, but the pictures do give you a clue as to what the meaning of the word could be. Now, did you notice anything about all of these words? Anything they have in common? All of these words have a vowel, an A, E, I, O or U, before the cial sound. So official is an I, special E, artificial I, social O, racial A, crucial U, facial A, beneficial I, superficial I, antisocial O. All of them have a vowel before the cial sound. And what this usually means is that any word with a vowel, I say usually because there are exceptions, the sound will be spelled with a C, cial. Now, if you remember from the first slide, here are two of the exceptions, financial and commercial. You can see there they do not have a vowel sound, a vowel before the cial sound. Financial has an N, commercial has an R. The reason being for these two words, you've got the root words for these words end in CE. So financial, finance, you take off the C and add IAL. And the same for commercial, comes from commerce. So that's another CE word. And those are exceptions to the rule. So although they do not have a vowel letter, they do still have the suffix cial. So those words that we looked at earlier with the picture clues, they are your spellings to learn for this week. There are 10 of them. and the activities will follow. Monday's tasks, just like last week. Write each word 5 times, switching the hand you write with each time. Say the word as you spell it. Might need a bit of practice with pronouncing some of these words. Check back over the video if you're not sure how they're pronounced. Tuesday, cross words. So write 2 words with 1 letter in common so they cross over each other. You can see the example there, bread and cheese. So a letter that they have in common and cross them over. We know that there are 4 letters that they're definitely going to have in common because they all share the same suffix. A word search, so create your own word search with your spellings. Thursday, scrambled words. So can you mix up the letters in the words that you've got and then try and unscramble them, or you could ask somebody else to scramble them up for you and you can have a go at trying to unscramble them. And then Friday, a test. So if you test yourself and submit your score on the assignment on Teams. Remember, if you're doing the green group set of spellings, you can watch the YouTube video to go through it in a bit more detail, but you will still be able to do the same spelling activities just with a different set of spellings.